Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to delete all comments on posts you've made on Instagram on PC with the new update. Deleting comments you've made on Instagram can help you clean up your profile and remove any unwanted interactions. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see the More icon or the three dots. Click on it to access more options. From the drop-down menu, click on Your Activity. This will take you to your interactions on Instagram. In the Interactions section, you'll see a tab for comments. Click on it to view all the posts you've commented on. Now, it's time to delete those comments. Click on the Select option to choose the comments you want to delete. You can also select all comments at once by clicking on the option provided. Once you've selected the comments, tap on the Delete button. A confirmation message will pop up to ensure you want to delete the selected comments. Click on Confirm to proceed with the deletion. And there you have it. Your comments on Instagram posts have been successfully deleted. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you want to delete these comments before proceeding. We hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process of deleting comments on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.